In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste math equations from ChatGPT into a Word document while preserving the original layout. This tutorial is particularly useful for anyone working with complex equations and who wants to save time by avoiding manual reformatting. First, let's start by heading over to Google, which is our starting point. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. This will take you to the search results page. Once you're there, locate the official ChatGPT website and click on it to open the site. Now that you're on the ChatGPT page, let's switch gears and go over to your Word document that contains the math problem you'd like to work with. Ensure this document is open and ready. Identify the equation or problem you need and select it carefully. Right-click and choose the copy option, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the content. With your math equation copied, return to the ChatGPT interface. In the text input area, paste the copied math problem. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. After pasting, proceed to click the Submit button. This will allow ChatGPT to process your data. Once ChatGPT has worked its magic, locate the search bar on the page and click on it. Here, you're going to type a specific prompt. For instance, you could type something like, "Give me a Word document format." This prompt helps to customize how the math solution will be formatted and subsequently exported. Again, hit Submit to process your request. ChatGPT will now generate the output based on your instructions. When this is complete, look for the download option that appears on the page. Click on the download button to get the file. Once your file is downloaded, open it. This file will typically contain the formatted solution to your math problem, which you can now use. Go to the text, select the solution you need, and copy it once again, either through right-clicking and selecting Copy or using Ctrl+C. At this stage, head back to your Word document. Navigate to the specific location where you want to paste this solution. Click on the spot and ensure your cursor is active there. Finally, paste the solution using right-click and paste or the Ctrl+V shortcut. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure that your math equations maintain their correct formatting when transitioning from ChatGPT to Word, saving you time and effort. Feel free to repeat this process whenever you need to import math equations seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.